which, as you know, Thomas appeared in 1945, written by the Reverend W. Awdry and his son Christopher. Thomas appeared for the children like Mr. Christopher as a child who was told by his father. As we know, Thomas the Tank Engine is a naughty little train, but the train is its original world, which is its 82 tank engines from the company London Brighton South Coast Railway.
Yeah, but I think the first Thomas originally was made in 1942. Rev. W. Awdry made Thomas for his son, namely Christopher Awdry. Mr. Awdry made Thomas made of wood with the G50 train model from El Linear Company.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thank you for Ryan24 to watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe his channel too, where the new videos and comes to see the Ryan24 videos. Thank you, Ryan24. Thank you for Brick Craft. Thank you for the Reverend W. Awdry. Thank you for Hit Entertainment. Thank you for Metal EF. Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends is published in season 25. I might know it's cool or not. I want to see that.
Hey everyone, thank you for watching this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Robert Townsend 2710's channel.